Hi everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. Kirandeep sir is also with us. I think today's session with him was okay. I think many of you have already understood what to read, what not to read. We will discuss few things here. Okay. So Kirandeep sir, can I have you on screens? And within some times, Prithvi sir will be joining with us. He was also
already joined, sir. Already joined.
Okay.
Already joined,
Thank you. Okay, no issue. Hi everyone. Kirandeep sir, are you there? Yes. Kirandeep sir is also with me, and sir is also with us. Prithvi sir is also with us. Okay. So he will be coming in between. First, I want to let my students ask any doubts, any questions, because we are meeting after so many days. I am meeting many of you after so many days. Yes, any one of you want to speak, they can on their screen, they can go ahead and speak. We are meeting after so many days. It's my pleasure, it's my privilege, it's my pride to start once again the dream batch for SBI CBO. So that's really wonderful to see all of you again. But I hope all of you crack this exam by any means. But we'll cover it. The 70% scoring is something bit in higher side, but we will still make it possible with the able guidance of Prithvi sir, Kirandeep sir, and I will always be there to help everybody out. We are now preparing the exact syllabus. Many of the questions, many of the syllabus were discussed by Kirandeep sir today's 11 a.m. session. That session is also in the app. No, getting who said you that is what I don't love. Why somebody of you said that getting 70% mark is in higher side? That's why I didn't say that it is top. Mahesh, you are saying that getting 70 marks is very top, right? So if you go with this attitude, this mindset, this will be very bad. That's why I said it's in higher side, but it is not top. If you can crack the exam and interview, then how could it be top for you? And we are 3 educators, and all our content creators will be working for you to qualify. You are not alone in this fight. We all are with you. So this is a fight for all of us, and this is a challenge to the entire team of knowledgists. If we could not make our students qualify in a promotional exam and in a confirmation exam, then what is the worth of our existence? What is the worth of our existence? Tell me. हम चुल्लू और पानी में डूब मरेंगे. Yeah, we have to suicide in a handful of water, right? I don't know that it's exact English version, so I have to speak like this. So Kirandeep sir, what is your sense after meeting so many CBO aspirants? Because this is CBO promotional exam batch is fast for you, fast for me, and fast for everybody in India.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you students. So actually today morning I will interact first time with all of you basically who are qualifying basically SBI CBO. And when I am basically discussing with all the students, I am facing that problem that you are not properly aware regarding these topics. Clear? You have great fear in your mind that it is very difficult for you to get 70 marks, but they are not as much difficult as you are thinking. As all you are well behaved, you are getting proper knowledge from the last 2 to 3 years, and you are also crack your interview. So if you properly get your preparation done with the help of knowledge, then you can easily score 70 marks. This is not that much typical. Basically for that you need proper guidance, and you also put proper efforts. If your proper efforts and our guidance will meet, then you will get more than 70 marks. You will get also more than 70 marks. Yes, sir.
Prithvi sir, you want to add something? You are not on the screens, but you can use your audio only to speak. Yes, sir. Prithvi sir,
it's not absolutely. It is absolutely easy to clear the exam, and not 70%. I believe it's 90% is absolutely easy if you follow our content, if you follow our Kirandeep sir, Ramanjan sir, then absolutely you can clear with 90% mark.
This is the first thing I want to clear from everyone's mind, right? How many of you have heard about this Arunima? What is her name? Who has lost her her legs and scaled the Mount Everest? Arunima Gupta, right?
Arunima Sinha.
Arunima Sinha, right? So when
because
she lost her,
because
yeah.
that lady also changed my mindset when I was also
Yeah.
preparing for this.
Yes. I have also referred to his one statement I loved about her. She said when she lost all of her legs, she was just an athlete, and when she lost both of her legs, and she tried to survive because doctors have no faith that she will survive. At that moment, she decided that she will scale Everest. Something bizarre comes to come on her mind, and straight from the hospitals she went to I think to whom I didn't recognize. I think the first lady who climbed Everest.
The ex Everest who cleared that Everest, and
yes.
told him that I also want to go for Everest, and he told her that you have already achieved your dream. Just try, and you have already achieved 50% of your dream. The rest depends upon your preparation.
No, yes. He guided him. He told her that you have already scaled Everest, but you just need to unfurl the Indian flag there, because if you have decided, you have done it. The only thing is the formalities to show the world. The only thing now you have to do is to showcase the world. Rest you have already achieved it, because if you have believed that you are going to do it, you will do it. So that is what started from Mahesh saying that it is tough. If we will go with this mindset, it is not we will not crack it. It is never tough. We have all the materials with us. We are preparing every day. We have now dedicated app, and where we will be putting MCQs regularly, 40 to 50 MCQs. Many of you have the app access, and some of you are not. It's not opening because you are already enrolled to the previous batch, and by that time so many things have changed in the app. So our technical support team is now working on a launching of test series. So it is we are taking some time, but by tomorrow morning I think I will clear all the app access. So nowhere to panic, and remember, whatever topics that day I told and Kirandeep sir told, things will come from this only. Okay, you have promotional exams in SBI. So how the questions, from where the questions will come? These questions will not come from UPSC, right? The questions will come from SBI promotional exam, because this is confirmation. This is not for the first time in SBI this confirmation test is being held. I know you people are not getting the materials, but yes, we are here to develop for you. We have already developed a material. We will be doing it for you, and from now onwards we'll have two separate classes, one for CBO only and one for others. So we'll be giving you ample time, and nobody will fail. Still anybody is having the doubt that it is the toughest exam on earth?
Sir, I just want to add, nobody will score less than 90%. Don't use that word here. Nobody will score less than 90%.
Yes. Okay. Anything, any question, please go ahead and ask the questions. Ganesh, Gayatri.
If you have any question, please ask question. Please ask your queries regarding that, so that we will clarify all your doubts and all your queries by now.
Syllabus we have already discussed in today's session, and we will be uploading the exact syllabus, what to read, what not to read, in 1 or 2 days in the application. Like interview questions I have given to you, similarly the topics will also be given to you. That will also make your life easier, right?
Hello.
Yes, Sajan, please go ahead.
Sir, what kind of materials do you have now for CBO promotion? What kind of materials do you have? Materials.
Yes.
What is the material availability for you, and what are the sources?
what are the sources? Only source is for you is to be the Knowledge tab. There we will be providing you the detailed promotional exam syllabus questions, PDFs, classes and questions. And there you will find 100
From
plus,
where you are getting that material, no? From where you are getting, you people are getting that material?
From where? Source.
people-
So we are not here to disclose the source. We are here to disclose you what can we cover. We are not here to discuss about the source. We cannot discuss the source here. We cannot discuss the exact source, and we cannot discuss about the mentors. So many things, because that is the uniqueness we have. This is our job to get it, so we will get it. This is our job. In past we have done it, and we will be doing it. We will be doing it again. And every single day we have so many promotional exam students prepare with us, and all students are with us who have prepared this exam from the beginning, from the written to the interview, and till now they are with us. So source we are not here to disclose, because if I will disclose the source, everybody will be getting it. Okay, so we don't want to give our competitors an edge. We are very competitive in nature. I will not give that disclosure. You can ask about subject matters, questions, doubts, topics, selection procedure, not selection, confirmation procedure, whatever you want. Okay, yes, go ahead. Go ahead with your questions. Anyone else? Anyone else doubts? Because many people are having so many doubts. That's why you are fearing. Go ahead. Go ahead. Gayatri, Krutika, Mahesh, Raghu, Kirandeep sir is there, Prithvi sir is there. You can ask your questions. Yes, Kirandeep sir.
One student has a doubt. What is the procedure to join and fee structure? One student has doubt regarding that.
Okay, fee structure is. Yes,
my joining is on 21st June for me, confirmation, or promotion exam will be held in December. Yes, after 6 months. After 6 months of your joining, that exam will be held.
Yes, that will be a different batch. Soumya, etc. have joined for this batch, so they can continue or they can wait. If you have time, you can wait, no issue. Anytime you can join. So let me tell you what you are getting. 1 second. Joining link is already given. Okay. So what I was telling you, what you are going to get, you are going to get 1,000 plus, minimum 1,000. I am planning 2,000 to 3,000 MCQs of promotional exam. Point number 1. Point number 2, regular live classes and recorded classes. 100 plus recorded classes till now, which can be used for this exam, particularly this exam. Sorry for the interruption. Yes, sorry for the interruption. What I was saying is 2,000 to 3,000 minimum. We already have 1,000 plus MCQs. Yes, it will be MCQ based. It will be MCQ based. Yes, it will be MCQ based. I think this is similar to the normal confirmation test of SBI. The only thing is that they were having the scoring of qualifying mark of 50%. Now we have to have 70% mark to score, and everything will mostly remain the same, and material will be exactly as per the State Bank of India's promotional exam materials. Okay. Yes, Kirandeep sir, you want to add anything?
Actually, as per the State Bank notification, they mentioned what they have asked in your that exam clear, and till now they will not mention basically how many questions they will ask. Basically, they will return only 70% marks you have to get clear. So when they disclose basically how many marks, and in that way we will discuss also. So presently the first motive is you have to prepare that topics clearly. The topics which are mentioned in that we will discuss in detail, and we will also help you how basically different types of questions are asked from that topic. Clear? Basically, we will guide you regarding that, as in the morning session which was held at 11 a.m. In that session, I will discuss in detail what we have to cover in that. Clear? Basically, it is in that session, basically I will discuss that lot of topics which are basically already mentioned in your SBI notification, that these are topics from which question will be asked. Clear? So basically we will cover all these topics in our session. And many of you have asked different topics, basically that topics which are asked in your interview. We will also cover these topics in our regular classes. Clear? If you have any doubt, any query, then please ask. So please don't focus on the number of questions, on the number of marks. Just focus on the study material, clear, which help you to clear the exam. Either if there are 200 questions, then what you will get. If there are 100 or 200 questions, they will not importance for you, clear. Basically, the importance is how much knowledge you have, clear. If there are 200 questions, then you have to get 140 marks minimum. If there are 100, then you have to get 70 marks. How you will get this exam? Basically, how will you get these marks? Only if you have knowledge, clear. So first of all, I will request to all of you, please focus to enhance your knowledge, which helps to you to clear the exam, clear.
Sir, can you give some examples of subjects that we are going to cover? I have
Basically,
spoken broadly banking law, banking practice, the ARCs, audit and compliance, some policies like gender bias, etc. that you can also cover from your circulars day in, day out. So that will also be guiding you. Anything else in your mind, sir?
Like as they mentioned in that SBI notification, even ethics, very important presently. As you know that in ethics, from ethics in every exam question asked. Clear? So we will cover these topics also, which are very helpful, like ethics and other. We will discuss like KYC, as they have mentioned in your CBI notification also, when they will conduct KYC, PML Act, and other all basically topics which are related to banking. We will discuss in our sessions, clear, which we have to, I think you have already read in your training sessions, but we will properly discuss with the help of MCQ, so that you can easily assess to questions or easily achieve your target by attempting that questions. So material is similar to 50 lessons. As material basically in 50 lessons, basically lessons provided by SBI, the material is not up to date. Clear? We will provide you all the updated material as per the latest amendments, clear, so that you can easily clear your exam. Basically topics are similar, and some with topics we add some more topics so that you can clear your concept. Clear? In e-lessons, the topics is in brief, not in detailed way. Clear? Sir, questions will also be on products of SBI like advances, deposits, circular. Yes, questions will be asked on all these topics. Clear? So we will discuss all these topics one by one. Even they will ask questions on that. What is the present FD rate of that bank? Clear? So we will also cover these types of question also. Clear? So we can expect questions from any aspect.
Right. And the things will be modified as per the current requirements, current question patterns, and current practice of State Bank of India. We'll be developing as per the circulars. We'll be developing materials as per your requirement. We'll be researching a lot. Team will be researching a lot. So don't worry. I will not do it at a stretch. Team will be researching a lot, like we have done in our GDPI. Not GDPI. That every single question we told, it is being asked, and that's why it has been easy for all of you to qualify. Like I have given you list of questions in interviews, this will also be similarly like that. We'll be doing that for you. Okay, so nothing to panic, nothing to worry, because in interviews are tough. Anything can be asked. If we can predict the questions up to 90% to 100%, then it is very easy for us to predict the promotional exam pattern. It happens every year. CBO happened for the first time. but promotional exams and confirmation tests happen every year. So we know that what are the right questions and what type of questions are asked. No, only exam is there. Only exam is there, and internal evaluation will be there. Only exam is there. Yes. And one thing, don't take risk and don't wait for the second chance. It has been told that you will be given one chance, but my information says you will be allowed for a second chance. Okay. You will be allowed for a second chance. I think unofficially you will be also communicated. Okay. It is promotional exam and confirmation exam are both similar in nature. That's why I am telling you again and again promotion exam, because patterns are same. Promotion or confirmation test patterns are same. How, from where the questions will come? From promotional tests, right? So patterns are same. So that's why I am telling it promotional exam. So don't worry about it. Promotional exam, you are not going to get promotion. Even POs are nowadays are not allowed to directly be recruited after confirmation test. They are not going to be directly recruited to a scale 2. Earlier, the confirmation test of State Bank of India is equivalent to promotional test. That is why I used to tell it. And yes, even if you are allowed for the second attempt, your life will be made hell, right? You will be threatened. So why should you wait for that? Why you should give the chance to your assessor that you are not doing well or you are doing bad, right? Getting it or not? Getting it or not? You must not wait for a second chance, right? If you find something, some questions are being changed, or if you find something valuable, you can give it, because for you this is not a competition. Everyone who is scoring 70% will get selected. Okay, not that they will take only 50% or 60%. So this is for you, not a competition. So you can give us information to modify. We are open to that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Any other question? Please unmute and speak. That's why I've given the Zoom session. The chat was also possible in YouTube Live. But why I gave it? Because I wanted all of you to speak. Getting it or not? Sawal puchi. Yes, someone was trying to speak something. Go ahead. Go ahead. And yes, syllabus is vast, because you have to what they have mentioned, that you must possess the knowledge skill set which you have scored, which you must possess after being 2 years in service. So you must continue with that, right? If you have not read anything in last 2 years, now this is time to read everything in 3 months. So this syllabus is for 2 years, not for 3 months. But we will try to do our bit. Why you are sending messages? You can ask it. Current affairs may not come. Current affairs but may not come. But things of important banking importance we will definitely cover. Okay. I always take RBI circular gist classes. That is also going to be helpful to you. This is also going to be helpful to you. Okay. Any other questions in mind? We have just 5 minutes with us. We have just 5 minutes with us. Sir, all questions will come from, yes, will come from my materials, from your knowledgeist materials. All questions will come from knowledgeist materials. Maximum 90% plus will come from our materials. 90% plus, maybe 100%. Sometimes something you may skip, because at the end all of us are human beings. At the end, all of us are human beings. We may skip 1 or 2 questions, but we will try our best to add every possible question of promotional exam. And we will also start doing MCQs, not only theory classes. So there are 120 plus theory classes there in the app. So we will go with limited theory classes. We will do MCQ based sessions, and also we will allow you to participate in the quiz. Okay. It will be posted, Ganesh. No issue. It will be posted in app. No issue. Any other question? Any other question, or we will close? Any other question we will close? We are having very limited time today, but still we managed this session. Yes. You will get it, Sanjeev. In civil issue, your civil issue will be cleared. You have no pendency, so it will be clear. As per my information, it will be clear. Those who have cleared their civil issues will get the appointment. No issue. Yes, master circular on KCC SSG loan rules also required. This is we will also be covering it. Any other question, or we will quit the session? This was a limited session. We have two of our educators, Kirandeep sir and Prithvi sir. We have engaged them to answer your queries, but we are not getting sufficient questions. I hope, as all of you are my students, you don't have any doubts. And only posting in comment section. It is easy, and that's why I allowed an interactive session. Otherwise, I would have done it in a YouTube. Any question? Devendra, Vinayak, Sumit, सारे silent हो गए भाई. Nivedita is doing well in Raipur, so Gayatri is okay. Gayatri may not be having any doubt. Arun, do you have any doubt? Amber ने तो पूछ लिया है सवाल. Aman पूछ लिया. Any question? How can you expect paper from each topic 5 to 8 questions? Yes, 5 to 8 will give you more than that. I think 1 or 2 hours of exam. 100 questions, maybe 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. Okay, thank you, Kirandeep sir, for your timings. And hope Vinayak says thank you, sir, for your efforts. Okay, thank you, Vinayak. Thank you, Vinayak. I will not let any of my students to fail. So don't worry about it. And you also engage your time reading circulars. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you, Prithvi sir, for your timing.
Thank you. Good night to all of you.
In coming days, we will be as students join more number, we will be take your valuable time to address their queries. Okay, sir.
Okay, Natanesh.
Kirandeep sir, thank you for your timings.
Thanks
and thank you everybody.
Good night to all.
Mohesh saying thank you, sir. Actually, your motivation is the secret of our success. No. We just want you, all of you, to remain motivated. Thank you everyone for joining with us. Thank you.